Hello everyone, welcome back to Java 8 Stream API interview coding series. So today's interview question is find all even numbers from the given list using Java 8 Stream API. So here is the expected input. The input is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the expected output is 2, 4, 6, 8. So before we jump into coding, let's first understand the thinking behind the solution. So once the logic is clear, writing the Stream API code in IntelliJ IDEA becomes very much easy. So let's see the thinking approach. Now let's see the thinking approach. We have a list of integer containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we read the first element from the list. The current element is 1. Now we check whether the 1 is even or odd. Since it is odd, we don't add it to the output. So the output still is blank. Now we read the second element. The current element is 2. Since it is even, the output becomes 2. We continue the same approach for the remaining elements. So the next element is 3. Since it is odd, we are not adding it to the list. So the next element is 4. Since it is even, so the condition is matching, right? So here now the output will be 2 and 4. So we are adding it to the list. So we continue the same process again for the remaining of the elements, and finally we are getting the matching elements where the output becomes 2, 4, 6 and 8. So this is the thinking approach. Now let's move to coding part. So friends, let's start with practical session of the video. I have created here a class called find employee numbers which contains main method. Now suppose I have list of integers which values 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till 8 elements. Okay. So I have this list of integers. Let me introduce a local variable and give the name of the variable as numbers. So our requirement was from this list we want only even numbers. So how to do that using Java 8 Stream API? Let's see. So this list we are going to first convert it into stream method. So what is the stream method? The stream method converts our list into a stream so that we can perform stream operations like filter, map, sorted and many more. So if you try to introduce your local variable and try to print the value, you can see this is getting converted into stream. So when we try to run this program, you will see this list is getting converted into stream. So see, it's converted into stream. So once it is converted into stream, we can perform any operations on it. So using the stream, we will get lot of methods which we can use. So there are lots of methods you can see here, right? Collect, filter, map. So for our requirement, we are going to use filter. So what is filter? Filter accepts predicates. So predicate is functional interface. Functional interface means single abstract method. So for this we can use Lambda expressions for it. How? Let's see. So inside filter we are going to write the logic for even and odd numbers. So here I am writing the Lambda expression. So what is the logic for even and odd? Number modulo 2. If it is equal to 0, then it is even or it is odd. So once we get this number, we have a method called collect. So this collect accepts the collector. So this collect, it is having class called collectors, and inside this class we have a method called toList which will return a list. So if we try to introduce here the local variable again, you will get the even numbers list. So now let's try to print the value of even numbers, and before that let's comment out this, and now let's try to run the program. So once we try to run this program, you can see we got the even numbers only into the list. So guys, if you really found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video to your friend circles and subscribe to my channel. I have given complete Java playlist in the description box, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can put your doubts in the comment section. So whenever I get free times, I can look into it and solve your queries. Happy learning with Java and see you in the next video.